In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can update your personal information in the AXS or Access app. So if you're using the Access app or if you're using a web version, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So first thing, go ahead and log in into your account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. From here, you have to go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and when you are logged in, it's going to show you your account management page, such as your settings and all that. So under it, you need to go to your personal information, or if you're unable to find the info, if you're unable to find a similar option, then you could also go to account management, and accordingly from the app you're only able to change your zip code and the password. And if you need to change your name or email address, you will need to contact the live chat agent. So for that case, you have to go to help and support, and it's going to direct you to the help center page. Here you need to go and select the topic, such as account basic and all that. And if you're unable to find the information right on this page, you could also use the live chat feature by tapping on the question button, and over here you'll be provided with the information that you're looking for. So that's how you can go ahead and update your personal information in the AXS or Access app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.